We have a data source that sits within OneDrive, and now we want to connect to it so that we can have a Power BI report run from that data. So stay tuned. This is a brief video on how to connect your Excel spreadsheet to a Power BI environment. So stay tuned. All right, so where do we want to start? First of all, this guide is available to you for free. So just email me at jefflush@msn.com or hit a response. I can send you this file and you get step-by-step instructions for free. So happy to do it. Okay, so what are we doing here? So we have and I'm going to walk through this briefly. Right here, OneDrive, we're going to pull the data, and that's it. It's going to be a very brief video, so that's what we're going to do. All right, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that data is inside of someplace you know. I happen to be inside of OneDrive, and that data is called mock data. So I'm going to go over here. Now you can see that I've already done a mock data, but what I'm going to do is show you how to do it, okay? So here, we're going to go ahead and we don't want to hit new report or this plus for create. We don't want to do this. That's bad. So we want to hit this arrow down here, get data, and then we want to go here to files. So we want to hit files, and then we want to tell it we want to come from one drive for business. Okay. Then we're going to go down to where that data is, which is Power BI and the mock data. So we're just going to click on that data. Okay, and then we're going to hit connect. And then we're going to hit import. Now, what's the difference here? Well, this one here is the one I always use. I import it into Power BI. You can do it exactly like Excel Online. I don't do that, but I'll do another video on why and how you can do that. But this is how I do it. So you just hit import. And then the data file will import. And as you can see here, it's imported in. And success, we're good to go. Now I'm going to delete that because I don't want that in my environment. But that's exactly how you import that data. Let me just show you. So that's it, literally. So if you want to do a report, you just click on the ellipsis, say create a report, and you can do some other things. But here, I'm going to just show you a little bit about managing that data and the refresh of that data as well. So now that we're in data sets, notice here we're in data sets. So for some reason you got, turned around or whatever, we're right here inside of data sets. You can also click on data sets right here and see it here. So there's lots of ways to get to the data. You can go to my data sets. Okay. So, but right here, click on mock data. Here within mock data, you can easily create a report from this as well. Auto create one. Create it from scratch. So there's lots of features there, and see another video I have on using the auto create function, and you can also share the data. But today I just want to show you about the data itself. Now we happen to have a mock data report already associated with this. So notice here that you can have multiple things associated with this data set. This is just one that we do and explain in another video. Notice here, this is the last time that it was updated. And then notice up here, we have a refresh schedule. So we could refresh it or schedule the refresh. So if we wanted to do it now, we just hit there, schedule refresh. We could also schedule refresh by clicking on that. And we're going to go down here, right here. Sorry about those dings. Right here, we're going to hit OneDrive refresh. And by default, it does it every hour. Okay. So we can also get to that screen, by the way, if you go here to settings, you can go there as well. OneDrive, just make sure this is on, okay? And that's pretty much it. That's how you load the data set in and some of the features that you can do with the data set. I think I used the click on it. I think I used this function just to click on it and see what's going on it more than any other feature. And then you can do it from there. So that's how you load up the data and see it. And now you're ready to create your report.